Greeting, this is Learning Basic Vocabulary with Rahul Mahashabde. Introduction. Other day my teacher called me adult brain and I was confused what it means. This world is so mystifying, isn't it? Many people telling and saying so many things. All is perplexing. How can one keep so many things in this tiny brain? Perhaps I am adult or not, I don't know. Definition: adult. Its spelling is ADDLED. It's an adjective. Pronunciation is adult. It means confused, unable to think clearly. Is adult brain then not able to think clearly? Examples: let's be honest, a huge number of songs are virtually incoherent, usually due to artists' adult brain. The dish tasted good even in my adult state. Being in different place for a while help my adult mind. If your adult brain cannot focus on real work at hand, busy yourself with menial tasks like cleaning, filing and arranging. Synonyms are perplexed, muddled, baffled, mystified, bewildered, puzzled, and stumped. In the press, this word is very common in the press. So I have taken some of the example. The first one is from the New York Times. It is about the Edison, which was earlier was called as a confusing person or a confusing boy. The boy who became the great Edison called adult. His curiosity, his mother's influence led him along the high road to fame. The boy who became the great Edison. Megan fears turning drug-addled loon. So this brunette beauty was also described in New York Times. The 23-year-old brunette beauty also admitted she rarely reads anything about herself as she fears it would turn her into a drug-addled lunatic. Herman Mankiewicz, or Mank, is a man who has built his success on the show business some flinty principles, and somewhere deep inside is his booze adult stupor realizes it. Discussion. Adult is a word that reflects the mental state. Is thinking fuzzy or confusing, puzzling or foggy? This happened with all of us. We all or at some or other times don't have clear mind and we aren't able to decide which side to go. For this state of mind, adult is the perfect word. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe if you're watching it for first time, and keep watching, and it's goodbye from me till we meet with the new and next word. Thank you very much.